Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video today I'm going to show you how to add Amazon gift card to your bank account. So let's get into the video. So open up Amazon first of all. So open up and log into your account. Once you're done on your account here, so if you want to change or add your gift card to your bank account, so the only way how we can achieve this is through your Amazon Pay here. So open up Amazon Pay, click on Amazon Pay, and then once you get to Amazon Pay, scroll down, and then you will see under gift card option here there is a add a gift card option. Simply select that, and then what you have to do now, add your gift card to your Amazon Pay balance. So just type in your gift card code and then hit on add gift card to balance. So this will add your balance to your Amazon Pay. So once you have done, now what you're going to do, so you're going to use your Amazon Pay and to transfer money to your bank account. So under quick action here you'll see a send money option. Simply click on it, and then here click on bank transfer, and then all you have to do now is plug in the details of your bank account, hit on continue, and then complete the transaction. So now you will be able to transfer your gift card balance to your bank account. So that's the only way how you can achieve this. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you.